Hey guys, this is Countman from Trade for Freedom. Okay, so we are going to review some tickers today, and I'm going to try to do this on a daily basis. Okay, so if you guys follow this, please follow and share. And just for you guys to know what the market analysis on from Trade for Freedom would be like, and we are going to start mapping this one out. So we're going to start with SPY. So SPY, as you know, has been on an uptrend for quite some time. It goes up in a bullish channel, then it makes a very sharp correction. Then it goes up again and makes another bullish channel on the way up. And then it makes another sharp correction like this. And now it's heading up. But this time it's not heading up in a channel, but more of a parabolic move. So everybody is wondering, is SPY going to drop? When is it going to drop? When is the big correction going to come? Well, I'm here to tell you the correction is not coming yet. Okay, at least from the technical analysis perspective. All right. So basically, it's making higher highs, higher lows like this. So it make higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. Then it goes into a channel, a short channel. So at this price here, when market went to this price, so initially we thought there is a chance that the price can start making a correction. Okay, because it did come and test the swing low over here. Okay, so as you know, the price goes up like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, higher highs, higher lows, and it came down to test the swing low. So normally when it comes, if it retraces this much, uh three possibilities. Number one, it will tend to go like sideways, and then it will either drop or it will make a move and hit up. Okay, so that would be one scenario. Two would be obviously bouncing and going up. Three will be breaking, retest, and it goes down. So this is scenario two. So it's trying to make it, and it's slowly going up right now. And there is a pattern, and a very, very, very strong pattern. This is what we call one of my favorite patterns, very accurate. It's called the cup and handle. Okay. So currently this is the cup. Okay, can you see a cup? And this is the handle. All right. So when the price breaks out of the handle, and if it's bullish and it's strong, if the candle is strong with a solid momentum and buying power and volume that comes in, there's a very high chance that SPY now it's going to head up. All right. And the minimal move, it's this is the length of the cup, okay, the depth of the cup or whatever you call it, the cup, and then you project it on the breakout, which is roughly around here. So we are looking at SPY to go up to around 768, 770, around 70, 770 region. This is our current expectation for SPY. So for you guys who are waiting for SPY to correct, doesn't look like it's going to correct unless this week, if SPY goes up and it fakes going up and then it breaks down and it goes below the cup, the handle, then there is a chance that SPY might start to go down. All right. But as of now, we trade what we see, not what we think. So as of now, SPY is heading up. Okay. So now let's look at other tickers. Okay, Bitcoin. Let's have a look at Bitcoin and see what's happening in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin currently we are at a very strong resistance, become support, and this area is strong, roughly about 60 to 65,000. So price came back down, okay, make an ABC correction. It's rejecting off this level right here, about 65,000. And it's starting to go up, but this move up, it's not as strong as we would like it to be if you guys are into crypto. Okay, this is more of like a correction kind of move towards, like, if the price is this is the impulse move down, this is like correction to the upside for price to move further down moving forward. However, it's still early to tell. But what we do know is 65,000 to 70,000 around this area. This is a solid buying point for Bitcoin. All right. So let's see how it goes. Next will be Ethereum. Ethereum, it's on the weekly chart. It's like this is basically wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, wave five pattern. So this is a correction. So it's like a B, and a C. So it's at the bottom of the range. It's forming a triangle. So it's at the bottom of the range now. And price is currently going down towards the downside. So long story short, if you want to pick up on Ethereum, we are at the right location. This is what we consider cheap. Okay, we're getting it on a discount. If the price is up here, for example, we're going to get it on a premium. So we don't want to buy the stocks on a premium, all right? We try to get it on a discount. So Ethereum currently is on a discount. We would wait for it. So it went up in a channel, in a very weak channel. It's coming down in a channel. So this is currently our expectation for it to move around the channel before it hits the demand zone at bottom before it starts going back up. That will be Ethereum. Next one, let's have a look at Tesla. Tesla is an interesting stock right now. Okay, Tesla on the weekly, as you can see, there's a cup and handle. Okay, so this is the cup again, one of my favorite patterns. This is the handle. Okay, it's starting to break out. And the handle, this one forms as falling. It's a bearish channel that has been broken out. So we are expecting Tesla to slowly to start to make a move up. First, it's going to test the 500 mark, okay? The all-time high. And then if it breaks out of this, we are expecting it to go to a minimum of about 750 to 760. It's just the same height of the cup. We project it over from here. So if it slowly goes up, if the price hits up slowly like this and it breaks up strong, this is our expectation. All right, so that is Tesla for you. Next, let's have a look at IREN. IREN is one of our favorite stocks last couple of months. At Trade for Freedom, we used the wheel strategy and we made quite a lot on IREN. So IREN, as you can see now, it's a channel and it's getting out in channel. We are expecting IREN to make a move back up to the top of the range, which is about 73, 74, 75. And ultimately test the all-time high and make higher highs from there. Make all-time highs. So we're looking for IREN to continuously push up. Very bullish stock on fundamentals and also on the technicals. Okay, very bullish stock. So we're looking for IREN to start pushing. So guys, if you haven't gotten IREN, it's not such a bad idea to start picking up on this stock. Next, we can look at RKLB maybe. Okay, RKLB, we've drawn something like this before. So it's very steadily going up in a very nice bullish channel like this. Okay. And then it overshot the channel. So when this happens, currently RKLB is on the impulse move to the upside. So not a time for us to get in. We would prefer to get in on this stock when we have to wait for the correction, at least an ABC correction before we decide to pick up on this stock. So RKLB, it's heading to the upside. What else can I look at? Apple. Okay, let's look at Apple. Apple, the same thing. My favorite pattern, we have a cup and handle over here. So it broke out of the handle, and next thing you know, poops, went up. It's easy, guys. It's easy. Don't make trading complicated. Just keep it simple. So the projection, simple. The height of the cup, okay? This is the minimal projection that we're looking at. And we project it from the top of the handle, which is here. So currently we're already overshooting the top, the range of the cup. So we're expecting Apple to continuously go up from here on out. Very bullish, very steady move. You can see on the Ichimoku that I use, look at the cloud, okay? The cloud is very steady. It's going out, and also the cloud, it's getting thicker and it's getting thicker, which indicates that the price is going upwards in a trend, a very stable trend. So we are looking for Apple to just continuously make all-time highs. And I'm not going to put a target for now, but we will look at this chart on a weekly or daily basis, and then we can see where we go from there. Okay, SoFi. SoFi currently, it's very strong on the technical side. We have a 5-wave pattern here as well. Okay, so we have a 5-wave pattern. So it's a wave 1, wave 2, then it's ABC for wave 3, then this it's, oh, sorry. Let me redraw. So it's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So we are looking for SoFi to make all-time highs for sure. Okay. This currently SoFi, we are at the area of demand. We've got a big demand area, all right, for wave 4. It's a very deep retracement, but this area is very, very, very strong. So if you guys are looking to pick up cheap stocks that is not too expensive, under $50, SoFi will be the choice. Okay, it's a bullish stock at the right location, at the right price. It's cheap by definition of where the price currently is. So if I were to get SoFi right now, we will do it in tranches, okay? Tranches in the sense that we can actually start to get in right now as well. It tried to push up today. It came back down, it rejected the top. We are expecting SoFi to make one more move downwards before going back up. So if it starts coming down, we can take like one contract, we can hedge or we can average down, you know? We can do in tranches. So depending on your capital and how much you want to allocate for SoFi, you can start taking a couple of contracts on SoFi all the way down. We have a big zone though, okay? We have a big zone for SoFi all the way down until about 850, but we're not expecting SoFi to go that low. We are expecting SoFi to hold at 1450. 1450 is a key price. Okay. We are expecting SoFi to come down to $14 to $14.50 before going back up. Or better still, it might not even come down at all. So that's SoFi for you guys. You want a cheap stock, good fundamentals, good technicals, SoFi will be a good choice. Okay, let's have a look at Hood. Hood is similar like SoFi right now. It's cheap by definition of the technicals, very strong technicals. As you can see, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, deep correction wave 4, and wave 5. And in harmonic edit wave, which not many people out there know, so this is basically A, B, C of wave 3, right? So we are currently in the demand zone right now. Quite a big demand zone, but we are in the right location. So Hood, two scenarios, okay? Two most likely scenarios. So one, price can start going up from here. Slowly it will start to climb, all right? Because it already broke this swing high. So it came down like this. Okay, swing highs, higher highs, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, and it broke. Came back down, and now it's rejecting. So many people know this as a Quasimodo, or what you guys can call a inverse head and shoulders. So left shoulder, neckline, head, break of neck, shoulder, break of neck, come back, make a right shoulder, and start to head back up. That is scenario number 1 for the price to start going up. Scenario number 2 is price can come back down for one more push, okay? Taking out all the stop losses here below the head of the QM, the Quasimodo, before heading back up. So Hood is another good option for you to pick up and make it part of your portfolio. Yeah. So guys, we have at Trade for Freedom, we have a lot of stocks that we look at. Primarily, we utilize the wheel strategy. And not many people know about the wheel strategy, and those who know apply it very differently. In Trade for Freedom, we will guide you from start to finish, okay? From how we analyze the charts, how to pick out good stocks. First, we look at fundamentals, financials, and technicals, how to get at the right price, how to select the right options to get the most amount of premiums. So we guide everything from start to finish. So if you guys please join our Discord channel, go to our website, tradeforfreedom.co. Then there are many links there that will guide you to our Discord channel. So guys, if you want to know more, join our Discord channel. Feel free to ask any analysis on any stocks that you want to know, and we'll do it for you for free. All right. Thank you guys. Hope to see you in the channel.